shoveled all the snow. I've been shoveling it off this porch for the past 6 hours. Kind of good slow thunder and lightning, so it's nice. Too wild. Deck. The pool looks full with snow. Of course, every time I go, it's just no lightning.